To anyone hearing this message, please listen. There's an entity lurking around your area. We do not know what it is. The last thing the victims say is, do not look behind you. This is the only advice we can give you. Stay put, stay alert, don't be alone as no one could tell you if it's behind you.